guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, clean fridge na bed. So guys, I just clean it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Milly Kenyanjui and I'm happy to have you back. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please click on the red button. So today, as you have been told by my who you are?
Ladasha Waigumo Milka.
Yes, you have been told by Ladasha Waigumo Milka Wanjiru. Today we want to clean the fridge. So we've stayed for like a whole month without cleaning it. So today we decided, me and my niece, we are going to clean the fridge. Amaje?
The bedroom.
Si tunaanza na fridge leo alafu fridge nini, tunaanza na fridge alafu kesho tuende kwa bedroom. Si ndio?
Bedroom.
Tuchukulie fridge alafu bedroom. So guys, tupatane clean fridge. I hope you will enjoy the video and please consider to subscribe. Please, ni yako tu kanini ka red kwenye kakwako kameandikwa subscribe. Click on that one and you'll be among this gang. So see you.
So first I started by removing everything that was in the fridge. Every food substance, I had to take them out. Yeah, because you have to remove them in order to clean properly. Also, as you can see, it wasn't looking so nice. This is because we had decided to stay a month without cleaning it.
But you don't understand, I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire.
And then I went ahead and started scrapping the frost buildup with a plastic spatula, or if you don't have the plastic spatula, you can use a wooden spoon. It is also recommended because they are safe to use. Also, you won't hurt yourself while doing it.
Some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you.
After I was done with removing build-up frost, I went ahead and started cleaning with clean water with vinegar. The water was hot, but not so hot.
Burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Fire. Change my fate. Yeah, please just blow this flame away. And I hold on for rainy days. It feels like a decade. Just please come and save me. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
And now we are done with the upper part. Let's go to the lower part.
Yeah, please just blow this flame away, and I hold on for rainy days. It feels like.
And now I went ahead and started cleaning the lower part, of which you can see it had a very, very big frost, and it was so cold. I wouldn't recommend anyone to remove it with their bare hands. Guys, this thing was so cold. It was very, very cold. So please, if you are cleaning, maybe you can wear some gloves or maybe use another defrost method. Yeah, because this one I wouldn't recommend. As you can see, my hands were so freaking cold. You guys, look at this. It was so huge and so cold. Oh my god, this was so cold, so cold.
Good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
Also on this part, I still used water and vinegar. And if you don't have vinegar, you can still use baking soda. Yeah, both, I think both work the same.
But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
that, guys. Look at that.
Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
So now I was done with them inside. I had to clean the partitions. I had to clean them one by one because also they were not clean. You have to clean them one by one with water and vinegar. Yeah.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
And now I was done with cleaning both the inside and the partitions. So now I had to put them back.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
Oh no, can you believe this, guys? Oh my god, it looks so nice, so clean, sparkling white. Can you imagine, guys? Can you just imagine the before and now? Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh guys, I will not stop saying oh my god because oh my god, looks amazing.
To clean your memories, will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
And that's it, guys. Our fridge is nice, clean. And so now we take back some of the food items that I had removed earlier. And I hope, guys, you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment and share, and see you on the next video.
Stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine.
Welcome my YouTube channel. So guys,
Baby, show me how.
clean, subscribe. Mina clean, new house, bedroom. So guys, clean. Acha nikamaliza ndo clean naye. So guys, subscribe my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, subscribe, share, bye.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with